Three, two, one, and we're off. Ever heard of the Junkyard Dog? No, not the one from your neighborhood, but Sylvester Ritter, the pro wrestling legend. Born in 1952, this man was a sensation. With his charismatic personality, he was a crowd favorite in the 80s. Here's the scoop. He was known for his signature move, the thump power slam. Boom. And yes, he'd often enter the ring to the thumping beats of Another One Bites the Dust. What a sight. Fun fact. He was also a footballer before wrestling. He was inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame in 2004, a decade after his untimely demise. Sylvester Ritter, the Junkyard Dog, a legend in the wrestling world. Until next time, keep the spirit alive. Like and subscribe. Digital Boy-E.